What we call it?
Sloppy.
Sloppy.
Money.
That's just gas money right there.
That's just gas money. Sloppy. That's just the gas money.
I might go to goddamn shoot it out or
something later on. We gotta see. We got that. That's just how we gonna kick it. We just might do it like that.
See, and I ain't got no job.
Sloppy money in here, just letting y'all see how it really feels to goddamn be sloppy money. So y'all wanna goddamn join the team? Dial this number 678-334-4099 if you really want to get some money. Or you can hit the extension at 404-451-1059. That's how we rock. Sloppy money, baby.